Can
Million
Wasim
barrel.
explain?
Tank capacity is 1 million barrel each.
Big one.
This one.
Yeah,
Yes.
big one.
So, okay.
So if there is any scope of draining or whatever requirement, it should be handled by contractor, because as an operation we don't have any resources to do this one.
All the support shall be, contractors shall consider support to manpower, support to operation to carry out all these activities. Additionally, we need to identify the utility consumption, because if we need to provide nitrogen or we need to provide something else, will be huge consumption.
Yeah,
And
yeah,
shall
for
be
sure.
part of the scope of work. We don't have facilities we don't have a nitrogen package, or we don't have packages in MOT or MPS or whatever to do this.
But my question is, there will be any hot work for replacing this one, or just to remove the flange and just replace that analyzer? How it
No,
will be done?
there will not be any hot work, because there will be flange to flange connection. So if we are adding new DVB, it will be directly mounted on the nozzle, and on DBB flange there will be directly mounted a new analyzer. Correct, Sudeep?
But Santosh, even if you are going to remove this flange, that means at least your liquid level in the tank should be lesser than the level of the flange nozzle. So
No, that is what we are discussing now. The shutdown requirement.
Yes. I think
Yeah,
we
yeah.
need
For that one, for sure, we need to drain the tank fully.
Yes.
But my concern regarding the requirement of nitrogen purging or this one,
in
there is
case,
no hot
sir,
work.
in case we keep this existing valve, then shutdown is required or not? If we keep the same,
then not required, because if you are isolating it, you are